Hi, welcome back. Today we are diving into one of the most asked questions. Why is my battery draining so fast? So whether you're a Samsung user like me or you're using Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus or iPhone, I've got you covered. So first you go to settings. So you go to settings here. So this is settings. This is the same across most devices. Samsung, Tecno, Infinix. Just tap the settings as well. So on Samsung Galaxy phones like this phone, you scroll and tap battery, or some phones will say battery and device care, and then battery. For Tecno and Infinix users, it's usually just labeled battery under the main settings menu. On iPhones, same thing. You tap battery from the settings and you will see a graph and usage details right away. So if I tap on battery, and now you see which apps are consuming your battery the most. So this is the graph. This appears as a list under usage since last full charge. So this is battery usage since last full charge. See, battery use, these are the things consumed using most battery. Okay, on Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus, it's similar. You will see apps like Instagram, TikTok or Chrome, and you see also like background services. On iPhone, you get a battery usage chart with screen on and screen off stats per app. So you look for the app using too much battery. In my case is Facebook. If you spot any, you can tap on them and restrict background activity. So on my Samsung, I'll click the app and then I'll tap limit usage. Or enable put app to sleep. You can either limit the usage. Okay, on Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus, you have options like battery optimization. Tap the app and choose optimize or restrict background activity. For iPhone users, unfortunately, you can't restrict individual apps the same way, but you can turn off background app refresh for those apps. So you go to settings, general, and then background app refresh. So if I choose to put this app to sleep or to limit background usage, I will read what it says. Sleeping apps will run in the background only occasionally. Updates and notification may be delayed. Deep sleeping apps will never run in the background and may not receive updates or notification. They'll only work when you open them. Okay. So another way to save battery is to enable battery saver mode. To give your battery extra life, you turn on the battery saver or battery saving. So you go back and you come back to this battery menu, right? And you see where it says power saving. You can turn this on. So on Samsung, you go to battery and you toggle power saving mode. This is this one. You toggle this on. On Tecno, Infinix and OnePlus, you go to battery and you toggle battery saver or ultra power saving mode. iPhone users go to settings, battery, low power mode and switch it on. And that's it. You know now how to take full control of your battery and stop wondering, why is my phone always dying? If you found this helpful, do me a favor, like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more simple tech tips that save you time, data, and frustration. Drop a comment and let me know what phone you are using. I'll tailor my next tutorial for you.